the person. Ready? So you can't wait and stop backing up on people. You know what I mean? Let's just fight to it. Ready? Rush it, push it, forward. Got to turn. Roll. There you go. Around his body and roll again. Tight. Pull it to you. Great. Sir, you get in front of him, right? And he's on his knees. Bull rush him. Run full speed and tackle him. Alright? Don't try to pull back. Just run over and smash him. He's doing it to you. You know what I'm saying? Bull rush him. Fight. Good knee. Push. Push forward. See what he did to you? He pushed forward on you. Good. Keep driving. Get behind him, sir. Great. Sir, take your time, sir. He's strong too. Take your time and look for stuff. You just can't run in. You gotta start doing some stuff you practice on when you fight stuff. Switch, kick, stuff like that. Jerome, move in circles. Fight. Good side kick. You got his body forward. Sir, look your body. Stop. Break. Break. Everybody listen up. Look. Stop walking in like this. Good side kick, sir. You just can't walk in like, you know what I mean? You're going to get stuck. Bring your body to the side, sir. Ready? Sir, you got to get more angry. Right. Ready? He's not afraid of you. See, he's already fought you now. And he had a little slight fear about maybe what you might do. Now he's throwing you to the ground. He's no longer afraid of you. You're going to have to reinitiate some kind of power, sir. Ready? Fight. Push. Right. That's better. Keep fighting, Rod. Get off his head, sir. Get them out. Get off the head. Get them out. Great. The ball. Good. Sir, you can grab his neck, not his head. Okay? Ready? Punches and kicks only, gentlemen. Fight. Great. Fight. Everything goes now. Roll. Lift up on your feet and roll. There you go. Same thing, Gerard. Lift up on your feet and roll. Twist. Right. Get behind him. Don't let him get behind you, sir. feet. Roll. Put your whole body. Drive. Keep rolling. Break. One more class, gentlemen. Strongest one. Fighting stance. Free match. While your fists up tight. Not the punches, not the kicks. Break. Too close to break, gentlemen. Too close. Break. Fight. Break. Stand still. Neutral stance, gentlemen. Now each other. Over here.